Hi and welcome to a new video from Psychology Wisdom YouTube channel. It's one thing to make a man like you, but a whole new thing to learn how to make a man chase you and like you more with each passing day. Ladies, take a step back and let them do the chasing. You know exactly what we're talking about. It's time to understand how to make a man chase you. Nowadays, men assume women are going to chase them, and the funny thing is they do. Women stalk them on Facebook and Instagram, they show up at their favorite club, they befriend his friends, they do it all. So here is how to change it and learn how to make a man chase you instead. In this video, we are going to show you the psychology behind how to make any man chase you. If you watch this video to the end and learn the 20 steps given in this video, men will always chase you. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and comment down below, "I subscribed," so we can welcome you. Let's start. Why make him chase you in the first place? Chasing is a lost art these days. Most girls have forgotten just how powerful this move is in getting a guy to pursue you and fall harder for you. If you can make a guy realize it's possible to date you while making it hard to achieve, you'll make him desire you even more. Evolution was built this way. This is the same logic that social media, video games, and anything else you find addictive used to perfection. The concept of believing there's something there for you at the end of the tunnel, even if it's surprisingly difficult to achieve. And at every step of the way, you win a little something that keeps you motivated and driven. How to make a man chase you? Say you're busy. I mean, you could be sitting on the couch watching Game of Thrones all day. But the point is, you need to show him you're busy. You can't always answer his messages right away or hang out with him at the drop of a hat. If he needs a 24-hour companion, he should get a dog. He needs to see that you have your own thing going on. Show confidence. If you want to know how to make a man chase you, you need to understand that men love women who exude confidence. No matter your gender or sexual preference, when a confident person walks into a room, you look at them. That's what you want, and that's the reaction you want him to have. Look confident in your skin, and it looks like you don't need a man, which makes them want you even more. Don't let him think he's the only one, because he's not. Listen, there are a couple guys at least that are trying to get their opportunity to date you. But you must show him that he's not the only one. Show pictures of you on Instagram with other people or tag them in statuses. The point is, he needs to see you're in demand. The more in demand he thinks you are, the harder and longer he'd be willing to pursue and chase you. You don't have to give him everything right away. You don't have to sleep with him or make out with him right away. He's not your boyfriend, so don't feel inclined that you owe him something. You don't owe him anything. You're not holding him down, telling him to chase you. Show that you have a life. You have friends. You have a job. You're going to school. You need to show you have a healthy life that isn't influenced by a guy. You need to show him that you're content without a man. Men love independent women, and that will make him chase you. Have some mystery. So you have a lot to tell about your life. But he doesn't have to know that right now. Leave that for the 5th date. You also don't have to open up and tell him about your family drama or past relationships. Save that for later and leave a little mystery. Flirt with him. Just because you're trying to make him chase you, you don't have to be the ice queen. Have fun and flirt with him. If you want him to chase you, show that you're interested in him. You have to give him a reason to chase you. Less is more. If you are texting each other, don't send him an essay. Honestly, no one likes to read pages of text on a smartphone. Keep your messages short and sweet. Leave your words for when you two go on a date. Don't swoon over him. If you want to know how to make a man chase you and do it right, the worst thing to do is sit holding his arm as you look lovingly into his eyes. He's not your pet, and if you want him to chase you, you can't let him think that. Sure, compliment him, but don't go all googly-eyed over him. It looks needy and clingy. Be sexy. Now, you don't have to dress like someone you're not, but you can amp up your sexiness by enhancing features that you naturally have. No, I don't mean get your lips filled, but you can wear a plumping lipstick or show off your curves. Men are visual, so it'll drive him crazy. Be easy on the drama. Men don't like drama. Actually, they literally run if they hint an ounce of drama on you. They can't be bothered with it, nor can they emotionally handle it. So leave the drama at home or on the group message with your girls. Don't focus on him. This is the weird law of the universe. When you don't pay attention to the guy you like, which is hard, he comes to you. When you pay attention, he's nowhere to be seen. So what you need to do is kind of ignore the guy you like. I know, but we didn't make this rule. The universe did. Be ready to drop him if he loses it. If he's not meeting your standards, you should be prepared to let him go. I know you like being chased, but listen, if he's everything a girl wants but never replies to your texts until days later, drop him. He's not really chasing you. He's just waiting for an opportunity to slide in. You don't want that. Don't give him all your time. Spend time with your friends. Give yourself the alone time you need, but never give all your time to him just because he's available and wants to spend time with you. If you want to make a guy chase you, he needs to see that you're not always available for him, even if he's available for you. Don't text him all the time. Yes, he's texting you often, but that doesn't mean you should too. Remember, you want him to chase you. Of course, once he wins you over, it's okay for you to send him loads of texts to keep him updated about your life. But until then, keep your texts to a minimum. Let him know you enjoy texting him by using the right emojis and flirty texts, but don't initiate texting just yet. Don't be easy to please. He got you flowers. Oh, so sweet, isn't it? But really, is it? It's just flowers. You could have bought them yourself. Don't glorify the little things he buys to impress you. Never give value to material things he buys for you, but give value to the gestures and the dedication he has for you. Guys know what they need to buy to win over a girl, so don't be that girl who can be bought over. Let him see that the only way he can win you over is by his behavior, not the things he buys for you. Stay active on social media, update your profile picture, share more stories, and post new pictures of you in your sexy best. If you want to make a man chase you, you need to be on his mind all the time, and you have to rouse his jealousy too. Make him wish he could be the one spending time with you instead of the people you're hanging out with. Let him know he's doing something right. If a guy is chasing you and trying to woo you, you need to appreciate his efforts. Don't be the entitled girl who just expects a guy to do everything for her. Be appreciative, be warm, and let him know that you like him too. But just remember not to put up with anything he does to offend you. If you understand how to make a guy chase you in your head, you'd be able to keep your heart out of it until you're sure he really likes you and is willing to invest time and effort into the relationship he's trying to create with you. Know when to give a little. You can play hard to get, but if you're always like this, at some point he's going to throw in the towel. So, you need to weigh when it's the right time to give him a little more. I mean, reward the guy at some point. It doesn't have to be sex, but it has to be something. A kiss, something. Don't rush into a relationship. A common mistake that women make is rushing to get out of singleness. What they don't realize is that singleness is a great phase in a woman's life. When you're single, you have the opportunity to improve yourself without anybody pushing you around. You will have time to build your dreams and still have an opportunity to find the right person, which is one of the greatest decisions that you will ever need to make. When you are in a hurry to get out of singleness, you will start pushing for commitment almost immediately, probably with the first decent guy that you come across. You will give up the benefits of singleness and start doing the chasing. Men understand that the valuable things in life require work. The guy you are chasing will understand that if you are not in a hurry to get out of singleness, you are definitely worth chasing. If you made it this far, it means you are a true fan, and we really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more interesting psychology topics. Thanks for watching.